Xin chào các em sinh viên khoa cơ khí xe máy. Hôm nay thầy xin giới thiệu một chuyên gia của công ty Celo, ông Lô Quay Chiong, sẽ giới thiệu cho sinh viên chúng ta các tính năng của phần mềm Modex 3D. Xin mời ông. Chúng ta rất hy vọng rằng là trong tương lai khoa cơ khí xe máy và công ty sẽ có nhiều hợp tác mạnh mẽ hơn nữa để phát triển sự nghiệp giáo dục. Bây giờ xin giới thiệu ông và mời ông trình bày.
Thank you very much for the school give me an opportunity for this short presentation. Just as an introduction, I'm Mr. Lo Wai Cheong here. I'm from Celo, mainly for CAD/CAM CAE software and machine tools provider. So today I just talking about CAE solution in terms of plastic injection molding, especially for Modex3D products. Nowadays, as long as plastic products, a lot of designers, mold makers have a lot of concerns how their product have good quality, achieve competitive price in the market. Now, Modex3D, so-called, is a 3D true simulation to plastic injection molding industry. A lot of people, a lot of nowadays industry customer asking how strong is this Modex3D, can this software integrate to my 3D CAD software? Firstly, yes, Modex3D has been developed a lot since many centuries, and CAE product in this plastic injection molding industry. Okay, now how Modex3D can work with my 3D CAD system. You may use Cimatron, SolidWorks, Unigraphics, Mastercam. As long as a 3D CAD system, Modex3D can be supported. Because Modex3D, we can import various kind of format, example 3D CAD file, step file, IGS, or STL format. Yes. So Modex3D can integrate with existing CAD system without any issue. Nextly, as a designer, before we design product, we always think how to have a nice and balanced gating design, and how to have a quick balanced runner in a short period of time. Modex3D will show you very quickly result through reliable meshing and high quality of standard result. Modex3D also easy to use because user always think that CAE software is very complicated, a lot of procedures, a lot of meshing requires, and now Modex3D with this e-design module is automatically meshing and much more easy to use. And even though you don't have experience in plastic injection molding, this software will guide you step by step and more reliable. Example, innovation machine from Modex3D is very powerful in the market compared to others. Example, this innovative machine. You can see there is square or hexagon mesh, and here a lot of triangle mesh. It's a so-called BLM mesh. The combination of different kind of mesh to have a quick simulation in a short period of time. For example, let's say have a thin wall moldings, they can automatically have set the layers, maximum up to 5 layers PLM. You can set accordingly to your project and to your accuracy level you can do. Again, Modex3D, the name 3D already tell you that 3D is a 3D simulation where you can run all the job. As long as you can design, you can run simulation. It's a 3D simulation with you can section, you can see a lot of analysis inside the product. This is one of the example of the multi-cavity. Example, at the past, we require a lot of computation, simulation time, and consume a lot of memory. Nowadays, with the latest simulation, it's much more accurate and fast in terms of multi-cavity analysis, in terms of meshing technology, and in terms of processor, solver, all have been improved accordingly to shorter the designer time, shorter the CAE analysis time, and faster result. After design, we need to analyze the result. Example, this sample show that there is a different kind of mesh. And you can validate and optimize through interior section, the job, and you can analyze the example, the pressure, temperature, and you can cut accordingly. Okay, this one just to show you that Modex3D can do a lot of things, not only automotive, electronics, semiconductors, as long as the product made by plastics, it can be done through simulation. And simulation through solution, mainly for value-added plastic injection molding, because nowadays a lot of technology has been improved in, for example, multi-component molding, additive molding, and Modex3D will help you to optimize the design accordingly. And you can improve your productivity and reduce your reject rate and improve the so-called high accurate result. A lot of people, as a customer, people also thinking why we must choose Modex3D designer, e-design. Why don't we choose others? So there's a reason behind why Modex3D is so powerful and so famous in nowadays. Because Modex3D very simple, easy, fast, and efficient to use. Because they already set up a lot of libraries, material libraries, you can just select accordingly. And if even though you have a special material, we can do the testing accordingly based on your compound, and we can set according to your various type of plastic injection molding machine. This is to show you how this machine works. This one just to show you the mesh technology. Example, you just have a 3D CAD file. You just import, you can do auto meshing, and you can run simulation just in a very fast manner. Anyway, this one is so-called also show you simulation. It's a true simulation where you can see the interior. You can see analyze inside the air trap, well line, warpage, shrinkage, etc. So there's the main advantage of Modex3D e-design is auto meshing, 3D meshing. So you don't need to have manual meshing, and you don't need to manual adjust the mesh density. Last time you may take 1 week, 2 weeks just to do mesh. After that you need to do analysis about 1 week, total 2 weeks. But now within 1 hour you can run simulation in very fast and accurate manner. And user friendly. Example, let's say you have a product, you don't know where is the best location for the runner. Modex3D will have a gate advisor. They will show you the best area for the gating. Even though the gating is not exactly ideal for the product, it's due to appearance issue, it's due to customer parting line issue, we still can use this as a reference to design and build your runner system. So you can see the window here is so user friendly, and you can see you can import the model step by step. No more experience required. Step 2, just build a runner system. For example, you have a wizard, gate wizard. There's a lot of gating design already done. You just select gate location advisor and cooling system, etc. It's just 5 steps. You can export to the mesh model, and you can run simulation in a very quick manner. This is to show you you can do this simulation step by step without error. This is to show you more detail about the runner wizard, because designer may spend a lot of time to design the 3D runner. you can design runner inside the eDesign, and you just run the simulation very quickly. This is to show you the meshing and how to indicate the action that you undertaking. Everything is set for you. And this one to show you the runner design, where you can design very fast. And you can see this is a hot run system. Nowadays, there's a lot of manifold maker in the market. So Modex3D very true 3D analysis through manifold design accordingly. Yes, and there is no more using the assumption select just a hot runner. You can design exactly the manifold and actuator accordingly. And this is to show you the cooling system in the Modex. So there's a cooling wizard. They will define and have a good setup for the cooling for your Modex and simulation. This to show you the conformal cooling, and this one is so powerful. In the past, you need to almost impossible to do this kind of simulation, because nowadays it support 3D conformal cooling, where you can import your cooling into your system and you just run simulation. And support 3D CAD system, example 3D step file, IGS, or STL. So you can see that Modex3D is quite advanced, because you can see thickness analysis easily. And it is to show you the runner design, where you can design the runner in a quick manner without any doubts and without any experience. So Modex3D runner wizard will do very quickly. And this is to show you that Modex3D can section, do analysis inside the temperature, pressure, etc. And these are various gates available in the Modex3D. You just select, they can auto-define for you. Yeah, this is a runner wizard. You can see that there's a support what kind of wide range of gating, pin gate, spool gate, HK fan gate, etc. All the gating is available now. And you just select, they will auto-design for you. You don't need to design any. This is to show you the meshing. You can see this gate runner, where there is a HESA mesh. They will more refined at this gating area and come out the result much more faster and reliable. This is to show you the multi-cavity design, where let's say you have a lot of multi-cavity, you just need to use a symmetry method as a configuration, then it will come out many good reliable result through symmetry boundary condition. This show you the runner cooling. You can design inside the Modex3D, and you also can import through 3D cooling system. So you can see that it is Modex generate is a 3D Modex, and you can use conformal cooling. So Modex3D, in a nutshell, is a design and optimization tool to help designers, to help mold makers, not only to predict the problem in the beginning stage, also can help you to continuous improvement. Let's say there's a sigma shrinkage, how Modex3D will help you, and how Modex3D will provide the solution to you. So this is all about Modex3D. So if you have any question, you can refer to my email. Yeah, you can call me. Thank you very much.